Come test drive the 2018 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, fog lamps, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.